The morning breaks on crimson skies, a silent prayer, no fear, no lies. 300 hearts beat strong as one. Their final march had just begun. The mountain winds began to sing of warrior shields and ancient kings. Every footprint marked the land, every soul prepared to stand. The rising sun lit bronze so bright, like flames preparing for the fight. No crown to claim, no throne to keep, only promises buried deep. They kissed the earth beneath their feet, accepted fate they soon would meet. No turning back, no path to run, their story carved beneath the sun. The echoes rolled through rocky stone, yet every Spartan stood alone. Together still in spirit's flame, forever bound by honor's name. No promise of tomorrow's light, no guarantee they'd win the fight. Yet every heartbeat whispered clear, stand your ground, abandon fear. Raise your shield into the sky, never fear the day you die. Legends rise though kingdoms fall, honor stands above them all. Steel may break and fire fade, yet courage never knows the grave. When history calls through endless time, Sparta's soul will always shine. Bronze reflected morning's glow, spears stood firm in endless rows. Helmets caught the golden light, ready for the coming fight. Dust appeared beyond the hills, rolling like a sea that kills. Countless banners filled the land, still they chose their final stand. Every heart beat slow and strong, every step became a song. Not for silver, not for gold, but for stories yet untold. They remembered fathers gone, who had taught them to stand strong. Every lesson, every scar brought them to this place of war. Raise your shield into the sky, never fear the day you die. Legends rise though kingdoms fall, honor stands above them all. Steel may break and fire fade, yet courage never knows the grave. When history calls through endless time, Sparta's soul will always shine. Thunder echoed through the pass, arrows darkened skies like glass. Still the shields remained unshaken, not a single oath was broken. Sword met sword with sparks of fire, hearts burned with a deep desire. Every clash and every cry shook the mountain standing high. Dust embraced the wounded ground, honor made the only sound. Heroes carry tales away of fearless souls who chose to stay, not because they sought their name, but because they guarded flame. Empires rise and empires fall. Time will silence mighty walls, yet the courage born that day never truly fades away. Children yet to walk the earth will remember courage's worth, not because they won the war, but for standing evermore. Raise your shield into the sky, let your fearless spirit fly. Every heartbeat, every cry echoes where the heroes lie. Stone may weather, bronze may rust, kings return to silent dust, yet one story still remains, flowing through history's veins. As the sunset touched the plain, silence followed after pain. Broken shields upon the sand still protected Spartan land. Golden light became the night, stars appeared so cold and bright. Every fallen warrior's name turned into eternal flame. Listen to the evening wind, hear their voices once again. Not defeated, not erased, living through the passing days. Every mountain still recalls, every valley hears their calls. Every sunrise paints the sky with the courage not to die.